What we're going to do is we're going to install sound absorption to the ceiling and we're going to show you the result afterwards. Here we are in another school, this time in the main hall, and you can probably hear from me talking, clapping. There's a lot of echo, reverberation in this room, a lot of sound bouncing around off of all the hard surfaces. What we're going to do is we're going to install sound absorption to the ceiling and we're going to show you the result afterwards. So we've installed the sound absorption to the ceiling and you can probably tell from me talking and maybe a few claps. What a massive reduction in the echo reverberation in this room. Just a reminder of what it was like before. Here we are in another school, this time in the main hall, and you can probably hear from me talking, clapping. So before, children were struggling to hear what their teachers were saying. Concentration levels in assemblies and PE lessons were not great. But now, after treatment, with less sound bouncing around off of all the hard surfaces, it's a much better environment to learn in. It's more acoustically comfortable. If you have a large sports hall, or maybe a village hall, and you're suffering from echo reverberation, please get in touch. The link is in the description down below. So another problem the school had was sound leaving this room. So what we did is we installed a set of double doors here. Two sets of double doors creates that air gap, which means you get a massive reduction in the sound in the main hall coming this way to all of these offices up there. So basically all these offices here were getting blasted by the sound from the main hall, and the noise from the main hall was shooting all the way up this corridor. So what we've done is we've installed two sets of double doors. By creating that air gap between the two doors gives a massive reduction in the sound. Two sets of heavy duty doors with acoustic seals going into the main hall. So when the kids are having an assembly or having a PE lesson, the offices up there are not going to be blasted by that noise. So the offices can now take phone calls and do general school admin stuff without having to defer calls and manage calls around lunch times and PE lessons.